Here is a video on how to replace key fob battery on Ford Focus 2 Mk2, Fiesta, Mondeo in 4 easy steps. 1. Split the key fob using a flat blade screwdriver. Insert the screwdriver into the hole next to the logo and move it from left to right to open it. 2. Move the clips aside, then remove the cover to see the battery. Ford Focus Mk2 uses a CR2032 battery for the key fob, which you can find below in the video description. 3. Remove the old battery using a flat blade screwdriver and replace it with a new one of the same type. Replace the old battery with the new one within 1 minute, otherwise the key may become out of sync and will no longer work properly. Four, reinstall the cover and then reattach the key fob. Don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel, Tutorial Auto. Thank you for watching.